Now I guess it's done.
Yes, I think it's done now. Nice one.
Yes. It doesn't look to be too old, doesn't that? Okay, is that a boy or girl?
I don't know, I can't see because
The way it is, huh?
yeah, I can't see it very well. But,
Oh, with the binoculars you cannot.
in my eyes, I can't see straight.
I see,
Yeah.
But here we are, once again, in beautiful Lionspruit, inside of Marloth Park. We are just having a wonderful time with our friends. And it is bright time. Oh, there's some kudus. Dad, on the left we have kudus. Look at this, quite a few females. Oh, there's one young male. Look at this. Awesome.
You see they're deep in the bushes. Oh, it's
That's
impala.
yeah, I was just gonna say it's a McDonald's.
What I've learned from you now and what I'm going to be learning shortly.
Just, yeah. Dis nie 'n bekende maak vir daai kudu. Yes. Maar hy het so mooi vir die soort van battery met sy bril bits en die beste doen te pas.
Ja, dit is my nie hoor.
So ja, I'm gonna get the own role now.
Ah, geen praat man. Jy wil geboor word.
Ja. Baie boer.
Are you being yourself, Wimpy? Are you? Hey, mister. Is this all right or what?
Yeah.
It's okay, huh? For a Sunday afternoon with friends. And there's a giraffe again. Everybody thirsty coming to the waterhole. Now I want the rhinos. I would love to see a rhino here. I would love to see a rhino here.